What's up guys, my name's Alex and I'm back with another video, this time on the go. As you can see, we're in my car. I'm actually on my way up to the post office right now. You can see the packages back there. Just have to go ahead and get those dropped off, and I actually brought my laptop with me too. So I'll be working on the go today. I have a lot to get done, a very busy day, but let's jump into this video. So really quickly, I want to talk about probably, in my opinion, one of the coolest things that I've been doing since actually getting started with e-commerce and dropshipping. And that's how I'm actually able to make a $100 gift card every single day on Amazon or really any store of my choice. Now we'll talk about the specifics in just a second, and I'll explain to you guys what it is and how you guys can do it yourselves, but I just want to give a little bit of background. So I actually had no idea that you could do this when getting started, and I do know there are actual apps that are built around the dropshipping model, but in order to do this, you'll want to be dropshipping, you'll want to have a store already going, and you'll want to be scaling it up. You don't actually have to get these gift cards, but you'll want to get these gift cards every day. So what this actually does is it allows you to get cash back on actually paying for your product costs when you're still dropshipping on Aliexpress. Now obviously with any business, you're going to want to get off of Aliexpress eventually, so this is really when you're just getting started out or you're testing new products or you're actually scaling. But like I said, this applies to the Aliexpress checkout page, and it just applies a form of cash back to your order. So as you begin to scale and test new products and go up, you're actually going to be increasing the amount of money that you get on every single order with this cash back. Now the cash back percentage is not the same with every single order, and it varies with the actual amount of money you spend, the website that you're using, or the promotions that they have going on. Now this app I'm talking about today is an app called Honey. You guys may have heard of it or actually used it in the past, and like I said, I had no idea about this until recently, and I did not actually know that they supported dropshipping. So let's talk about the app Honey. So Honey is an extension that you add to your web browser, and it goes ahead and finds the best coupon codes on every single purchase that you make online. Obviously there will be some websites that aren't supported by Honey, but from what I've found, most of them really are. So it adds every coupon code that it can find online to your checkout and goes ahead and uses the one that'll save you the most money in the process. Now with a lot of the listings that I'm actually using through my Aliexpress suppliers, these coupon codes don't actually work for it, along with some of the items you would find on the homepage on Aliexpress. Like some of the homepage items I click on there, the coupon codes will work for, but a lot of the listings that are under my personal suppliers in Aliexpress, these coupon codes don't work. But that's the downside. The good thing about this is on every single purchase that you make, whether these coupon codes work or not, you're gonna get cash back in the form of Honey Gold, as they call it. Now you get a certain percentage from every single order, and the Honey Gold will go through, and once you reach 1,000, you can actually take it out for a $10 gift card. Now this gift card can be any store of your choice, although right now I don't think they're supporting Visa or PayPal, so you actually can't take out cash. But that's the only downside in my opinion of this, and I usually just go ahead and take the Amazon gift cards. Now obviously first getting started, you won't have enough orders to go ahead and get these gift cards every day. The other downside with Honey is the fact that a lot of these cashback incentives take 60 days to process to make sure you don't refund them, you don't scam them or anything like that. So a lot of times the gold will actually take 60 days to show up on you guys' accounts. So eventually when you scaled your store up high enough, you'll have enough of this Honey Gold coming in every single day to actually redeem a gift card every single day, and it really depends on the amounts that you're scaling with the amounts of gift cards that you'll receive. So when I get back, I want to jump into my computer and I'll show you guys how you can set this up on your guys' computers and how you can actually get these gift cards yourselves. So I'll see you guys there when I get back. Alright, so what's up guys, I just got back and we're in my computer screen now, and since I already have Honey on my actual main browser, which is Google Chrome, I just opened up the actual Edge browser and went on joinhoney.com. So this is the screen you'll see when you actually don't have it installed already, and literally all you do is just click add to whatever browser you have. It's free and it will go ahead and install it. So it's just some information right here on how it works, just how it you add it, you shop, and it finds the savings for you, although it doesn't mention anything about the actual gold that I was talking about. So just a little bit of information on Honey on here. You guys can read through this and actually learn more about it. So really quickly, I want to jump over to Aliexpress and actually show you this app in action and how it works. So let's jump into that. Okay, so I was just on the Aliexpress homepage, and this was actually one of the featured listings on there, this watch. So there's nothing special about it. There's no reason why I chose it. It was just one of the actual featured listings. So I'll go ahead and I'll just add the watch from China to my cart. From there, I'll go ahead and view shopping cart. Okay, so right over here on the Aliexpress checkout page, this is probably the screen you're used to from fulfilling orders on your dropshipping store. And all this is normal except right here. So this is the actual honey screen, and this is where you can claim the rewards, get your coupon codes, and actually get the honey gold for cash back. So in this case, the rewards are 1 to 6% on Aliexpress right now, so I'll just go ahead and click claim rewards. So it says you'll earn up to 6% back in gold after you make your purchase on Aliexpress, so there's that. So I'll go ahead and click buy, and we'll go to the actual checkout page. Okay, I'm so sorry about that. It had me sign in really quick, so I'm all signed in and everything with that. And you'll just go ahead, and if you use some of the dropshipping apps, it'll go ahead and pre-fill this shipping information for you. And there's your payment method and all that. And usually you would just go ahead and click place order, and here's the promo code section if you actually have your own promo codes. But with Honey, you'll go ahead and click apply 10 coupons, and it will go through and it will find the best coupon code online that will save you the most money. So it's going through right now. It's testing 11 codes, and we're going to see if any of these codes will actually work in bringing us some cash back. Okay, so usually I see a screen that says there was no coupons found because, like I said, a lot of my suppliers don't actually offer these coupons on their listings. But if you look right here, we actually saved $4 using Honey. And it says you'll get 13 to 80 gold back after your purchase. And like I said, you need 1,000 gold to actually go ahead and get the $10 gift card. So as you can see, this can add up really fast when you're going through and rapidly placing these orders on Aliexpress. So as you can see right here, it automatically applied that coupon code, saved you the $4, and now the total is $14.89, so you actually have an extra $4 on this order. So go ahead, play around with Honey. It's one of the coolest things that I have actually found since starting dropshipping, and it saved me a lot of money in the process. So that's all I know about the app Honey. I just wanted to share this with you guys to help you get the cash back yourselves as well as to grow your businesses. Anything that I find that contains value, I will always share with you guys, so go ahead and like this video and subscribe as there's plenty more to follow. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.